welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa, this is Nessa CX Beauty, and in today's video we are doing another purchase or pass. This is my little series where I talk about new beauty releases and whether or not I'm going to purchase them or just forget about them after this video. So if you're interested in knowing what I'm interested and not interested in, just continue watching. Okay, so the first collection that we're going to talk about today is the Colourpop Fall 2020 collection. This is the Moody Bloom collection. It's going to feature 3 different eyeshadow palettes: the Ornate, the Grandeur, and the Baroque eyeshadow palettes. They're all going to have 9 shades and retail for $14. The one that I am very interested in is the Baroque one, just because it's a little bit of a blue/gray palette and I think it's kind of unique. The other 2, I've definitely seen those color stories before, but again, Colourpop has one of the most amazing eyeshadow formulas, and for the price you really can't beat them. But the one that I am thinking about purchasing is the Baroque one, and this will be an Ulta exclusive, so it will not be on the Colourpop website. So get your hands on it. I think it comes out tomorrow, the day after I put this video up. So keep your eyes out at Ulta. The next release we're going to talk about is the Huda Beauty Naughty Eyeshadow Palette. And y'all are going to hate me for this because I'm not the biggest fan of Huda Beauty in terms of her eyeshadow formulas. But when I saw the picture of this eyeshadow palette, I kind of wanted it because it looks so cool. It definitely catches my eye. It doesn't look like any eyeshadow palette I've ever seen before. And I was super interested in it until I saw the swatches. The swatches are not calling my name. I don't know, something about them just doesn't catch my eye anymore. After you take out, you know, the cool swirls and the packaging, you get these swatches and I don't know. Swatches don't tell you everything about a palette, but in terms of color story and finish, they do say a lot. And for some reason, the swatches just aren't as cool as the eyeshadow palette, if you catch my drift. But there is a new formula in this eyeshadow palette, and it's the Slippery shade. It's supposed to be like a gloss with pigments in it, but when you see the Slippery shade swatched out, kind of looks like a basic shimmer shade. So I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna pick this up, but I definitely will watch reviews on it because I did, you know, like how the palette looks, but I think this is gonna be a pass for me. Sorry. Next release is also from Colourpop. This is the Child eyeshadow palette. It has Baby Yoda on it, and I already bought this. So this came out today, and I bought 2 of them, one to review and one to give away. So I don't know, I'm super excited for this. The color story is super cool. It calls out to me. I love Baby Yoda. Everybody loves Baby Yoda. The new season of The Mandalorian is gonna come out, and this couldn't have come at a better time. So this is a purchase for me because I've already purchased it. The next release is from Morphe. They have now collaborated with Nikita Dragun. The Seductive collection. Pass. And that's all I'm gonna say. Next release is from Makeup Revolution. They're coming out with a series 2 of their Friends collection, and holy crap, the packaging on all of these items is so beautiful. For the packaging alone, I would buy this. Unfortunately, I am not the biggest fan of Revolution eyeshadows, so I don't foresee myself buying anything within this collection, but I will say, if you are a Friends fan and you like, you know, Revolution formula, then this could be a purchase for you because it's super cool. I wish I liked Makeup Revolution eyeshadows, but I don't. So this is a pass. But it's so cute. So the next release is the Wahala Volume 2 eyeshadow palette from Juvias Place. This is She is the younger sister of the first Wahala palette. This is the first one, and that's the second one. I love Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place formulas. But I don't love this color story. I don't know what it is for me. It's just not calling my name. And I don't think I'm gonna get it. I didn't buy it. I think it's sold out now. But I don't want it. I wish I did though. But I should be proud of myself that I didn't buy it and I don't want it. But this is she. If this is your cup of tea, Juvia's Place has bomb eyeshadow formula. And you should buy this. But it's not for me. The next release is also from Makeup Revolution. And this is their Disney Princess collaboration. And, you know, I think they're trying to follow suit with Colourpop. But I don't like these. I don't. I think it's because I come within the predisposition that I don't like Revolution eyeshadows. So I automatically always say no to Revolution. But something genuinely is off-putting about this and the marketing. And I can't quite put my finger on it. But this is a pass for me. Probably like 10-year-olds, 11-year-olds, 12-year-olds, 16-year-olds getting into makeup would love this. But unfortunately, not for me. I think the only thing that stands out for me within this collection is the blush palette for The Princess and the Frog. That's it. Nothing else. So, unfortunately, pass. The next release is from Nabla, and this is their side-by-side nude eyeshadow palette, and I definitely want this. I do. Because I recently, you know, started trying out Nabla, and their eyeshadow formula is so bomb. Their shimmer formulation is amazing, unlike any other shimmer formulation. But I don't think I'm gonna get this because it kind of reminds me of some of the shades that are in Stone Cold Fox. And then I definitely have all of the other shades in my collection already. So I don't think I'm gonna pick this up. I want it, but I don't think it's worth getting. Nabla's pretty expensive. But I want it. But I'm not gonna buy it. Okay, next. Oh, alright. I hate that I hate everything that this guy is putting out because I want to love it. And I love my Anastasia times Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. But he's putting out this like this thing that Anastasia has. And I have the Anastasia one. I don't use it. It's not practical for me. I can see the appeal with makeup artists. I can. But this isn't for me. It's just never gonna be for me either. So this is a pass. I'm sorry, Makeup by Mario. The next release is from Glamlite. And I want to say that I want it. And I want to say that I'm going to purchase it. But the truth of the matter is, I'm not going to purchase this palette. It's the Burger Slider eyeshadow palette. I don't know about this one. Same shades, different palette. I don't know. The more and more people say it, the more and more I see it. And I don't want to see it because I am a Glamlite affiliate. But I don't want this palette. I don't want to review this palette. There is no appeal to me. But I love Glamlite and their formula's bomb. I have a bunch of Glamlite eyeshadow palettes. And I will vouch for the brand. But this one just ain't it for me. Personally. Love you, Giselle. Okay, so the next release, I actually really want this, but I don't know about spending the money on Melt. It's a lot of like hit and miss for a lot of people that I've seen reviews for, and I've never tried Melt Cosmetics ever. But I want to try this collection. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but they have the two eyeshadow palettes. The Recently Deceased one and the Waiting Room palette. I want the Waiting Room palette. That is my color story. That is my jam. The other one I can do without. It's 8 shades. But the Waiting Room has 10 shades, and you know, I want it. But I don't think I'm gonna get it. This is definitely in the maybe pile for me. It's not a no, it's not a yes. But yeah, I've never tried Melt. Let me know what y'all think about Melt down in the comments below. Let me know your opinion. I'm just waiting for that right moment to buy them and try them. I don't know if this is it, but I want it. But the last release that we're going to talk about is the C3 eyeshadow palette from Sugarpill. This is the palette. I'm guessing this is their Halloween release. It doesn't really look Halloweeny to me besides the pill being black this time. I don't know. The pill layout just doesn't call my name. I know for a fact that I want to try Sugarpill one day because I hear so many amazing things about their formula, but I don't think any of the pill palettes will be my first experience with Sugarpill. And this one, like the other ones, doesn't call my name. It doesn't seem practical, and unfortunately it is a pass for me. But yeah, that was my entire list. Let me know what y'all are gonna grab and what y'all are gonna pass on. But also, if you guys know of other new releases that I didn't mention, please let me know about them in the comments down below so I can check them out. And that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon.